I am now going to rush through how to put wood on a cube, because I've done it at greater length in the previous video, and then we're going to look at applying some more text to it to get rid of the shiny stuff. So starting out with a cube, and I go to Z, and no, hang on, let's put on our keys for a change. I guess we're recording. I hope we're recording. Screencast keys in your own sweet time on. Okay, let's get rid of that then. Move it to the side. Fine. So I am in a certain view, and I want to go to the wireframe view so that I can go into vertex select and select them all. Great. Having done that, we're going to UV editing, and going to go into this window here where we're all nicely unwrapped, and I'm going to say file. No, that's not it, is it? It's interesting. But I know what it is. I need a material, don't I? I need a darn material. So we're all selected over here. So we're going to click on the material tab, and we're going to say it's a new material, and I'm going to go base color. I know it's not actually a base color as such, or what I would call one, but anyway, image texture is what I'm selecting. And then having done that, I'm going to say open, and I'm going to navigate to my material, and we're dealing with rough wood diff 4K. So that's terrific. And I can now, what I want to do now is to, on this left hand side, select all the vertices of this unwrapped cube, and I want to scale them. So what I want to do is, if I click S, and I wasn't too sure about this at first, but I think I want the cross to be as big as possible. I'm going to hit return on that, come back to the right hand window, do a Z and a rendered, and we should have a half decent box, which is a bit too shiny. Come back to that another time, I guess. Thanks.